Dude, no way! Ford GT4, what? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another car spotting video. Saw quite a few cars earlier. Chevrolet Bel Air, Mustang, Shelby GT350, and a couple sweet sport bikes. So now I hear an ambulance. So we'll see. Dude, no way! Ford GT4, what? Oh my god! Dude! No way! There is no way! That was a Ford GT40! There is no way that that just happened. A Ford GT40! I don't think you people realize how much those cars cost. Editor put up on the screens like an Auto Tempest listing or something. Those things cost more than I'll probably ever make in my lifetime. I cannot believe my eyes. Literally, I literally saw a Ford GT40. Oh my god, no way. Well, we have our first Ferrari. Look at this. Biker group. Oh, look at this thing. I gotta move back. Look at that thing. It's a Lada. Oh no, it's an Alfa Romeo.